This dance is called Bottom Looking Up. It's a 32 count, full wall, improve a level line dance with one tag. Starting on the right foot with a rocking chair. Rock forward, recover, rock back, recover. Step forward on the right, point the left to the side. Step forward on the left, point the right to the side. There are absolutely no and counts in this dance. So nice and easy. That section again then, rocking chair up on the right. 7, 8, rocking chair, step, point, point. Jazz box, quarter, cross. So cross the right over left, step the left back, quarter, turn right, cross that left over the right. Into a vine to the right, so you step the right to the side, cross the left behind, step the right to the side, and this time we're going to step the left beside the right, so make sure you put the weight on that left foot. That set of steps once more then, jazz box quarter cross up on the right. 7, 8, cross, back, turn, cross, side, behind, side, close. Add that to the top. Rocking chair, up on the right. 7, 8, rocking chair, step, point, cross, back, turn, cross, side, behind, side, close. Add on a Monterey half turn. Point the right to the side, then half a turn right, you bring that right back beside the left, point the left to the side, step the left beside the right. 2 toe struts. So we're going to step the right foot to the right toe to the side, lower the heel, that's our side strut. Then we're going to do a cross strut, so we step the left toe across the right, lower the heel. Side strut, cross strut. That set of steps once more then, Monterey half off on the right. 7, 8, Monterey half, side strut, cross strut. Let's add that to the top. Rocking chair off on the right. 7, 8, rocking chair, step, point, cross, back, turn, cross, side, behind, side, close. Monterey half, side strut, cross struts. Rock to the side on the right, recover your weight on the left. Cross the right over the left, unwind yourself half a turn to the left. So you're just pivoting effectively on your toes as you unwind. Then add on a jazz box with a step at the end. So cross the right over the left, step back on the left, right to the side, step the left forward. End of dance when you get to that point. So that set of steps once more then. Side rock up on the right. 7, 8, side rock, cross, unwind, cross, back, side, step. Let's put it all together. Rocking chair off on the right. 7, 8, rocking chair, step, point, cross, back, turn, cross, side, behind, side, close. Monterey half, side strut, side rock, cross and wide, cross, back, side, step. So that's your dance, and like I said, not hand count in sight. But it is a 4-wall dance, so let's have a go at the other 3 walls. Rocking chair up on the right. 7, 8, rocking chair, step, point, cross, back, turn, cross, side, behind, side, close. Monterey half, side strut, side rock, cross and wide, cross, back, side, step. Rocking chair, step, point, cross, back, turn, cross, side, behind, side, close. Monterey half, side strut, cross strut, side rock, cross and wind, cross, back, side step, rocking chair, step, point, cross, back, turn, cross, side behind, side close, Monterey, half, side strut, side rock, cross and wind, cross, back, side step. So that's your dance. Nice and easy, but the music has got a little bit of a pace to it. Now there is one little tag in this dance. It comes at the end of wall 6. Wall 6 is your 3 o'clock wall. The tag, quite simply, is a back rumba box. You'll be facing 6 o'clock when you actually come to do it. Quite simply, this rumba box, you step the right to the side, left beside right, step the right back, touch the left beside the right. Step left to the side, right beside left, step the left forward, touch the right beside the left. So back rumba box. Just do it once more, off on the right. 7, 8, side, close, back, touch, side, close, step, touch. All single count timing still. So like I said, it comes at the end of wall 6 being your 3 o'clock wall. So let's take you up to the end of this wall, add on the tag and restart the dance. Rocking chair off on the right. 7, 8, rocking chair, step, point, cross, back, turn, cross, side, behind, side, close, Monterey, half, side strut, side rock, cross and wind, cross, back, side step, tag, side, close, back, touch, side, close, step, touch, restart, rocking chair, step, point. So hopefully you can see how that tag fits in. End of wall 6, back rumba box. So that's it, that is your dance, that's your walkthrough. Your tag information. Let's give it a go. Spare music. Five, 6, 7, 8. Rocking chair. Step, point, cross, back, turn, front, side, behind. Monterey, side step, cross step, side rock, cross one, cross back, side step, rocking chair, step, point, cross back, turn, cross side, behind, side, close, Monterey, half, side step, cross step, side rock, cross one, cross back, side step, rocking chair, side, cross step, point, cross back, side, behind, side, close, Monterey, half, side step, cross step, side rock, cross one, cross back, side step, rocking chair, step, point, cross back, turn, cross, side, behind, side, close, Monterey, half, side step, cross step, side rock, cross one, cross back, side step, rocking chair. One does. Monterey. Rocking chair. Tag wall. Tag. Side close, back touch, side close, step, touch, rocking chair. I would shout you with roses and champagne. Now we've run out of luck, so I'm jumping in my truck, and me and Jim Beam are going out for a while. Well, it's a long way down, looking up from the bottom, and I may not know what to turn and rough up a fly. With the one more shot at my blues, I forgot to Hope you managed that one.